I'm not the way you paint the picture of me. I'm sorry you chose to stay. Big mistake, I played the game. Should've never given it away. No, I didn't mean to. You get hurt at all. I appreciate the time with you. My heart is when I'm with you. I don't think we're compatible. It's just not impossible. No, we all kinda selfish, baby. Please don't judge me. Please don't. I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave. Be lonely. Leave you while you're lonely. Leave you while you're lonely. Please don't fall in love with me. You're lonely. You don't even know me. I leave you lonely. Found out who I am through you, and it turns out I ain't for you. We made them plans and I let them fall through. Didn't mean to cause all this damage. Is it my fault? Why'd you have to fall? I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave. You're lonely. Leave you while you're lonely. Please don't fall in love with me. You're lonely. You don't even know me. I leave you lonely. Leave you while you're lonely. Please don't fall in love with me. You're lonely. You don't even know me. I leave you lonely.
Becoming the best version of myself 2025. I've watched like 50 million of these. I'm looking for something to watch before I eat.
Super excited because I haven't done a solo date in a hot minute, and I used to share solo dates. I don't remember the last solo date that I did. I think it was the candle painting, I think. So if you have any ideas, comment down below of stuff that you've also probably done that I haven't done yet. And because people are like, oh, you're just doing this. It's all about romanticizing your life, okay? Don't be a hater.
This is juicy. It's juicy. It's not sweet. Living in front of a main road is not nice, but what's nice is when you want to take a nap, like in the afternoon. The cars and everything else is like white noise. Like, it's fascinating. Like, when you're awake, it's so annoying, but when you want to take a nap, it's like white noise. You have the best sleep. Oh, that's that Range Rover Evoque. Yeah, I want that car. So, like, share with your friends. Let them share with their parents and their friends and their friends' friends. You know, all of that. Guys, I'm so blessed to have this view. You know, shout out to God for making this view. Shout out to God for placing me here. You know, it's all His divine working plan for my life. Porsche. It's hi guys, as you just seen, that was my dinner. What was I doing the whole day? Sleeping. I only worked for like 30 minutes, and I was like, you know what, I can do this tomorrow, because I saw that it wasn't difficult. So I was like, tomorrow, babe, me and you, brunch. But anyway, yeah, I'm having fried rice with some avo.
We are so used to going to go and fetch relationships with friends.
Hi, my dollies. It is currently the next day and I am studying. My face looks so huge. I'm gonna do my homework-ish, practice work, and finish it today. Let me go back.
I know you want it, wanna see you try it. Just keep on pushing, wanna try it. Let's go, let's say hi to in my room. We can slide through, give it to you whenever you want, whenever you want. Baby, it's yours. Anywhere, everywhere, baby, it's your world.
I gave you the keys to my soul. He said he came from Jamaica,
he owned a couple acres, a couple fake visas, cause he never got his papers. Gave up on love, fucking with them heartbreakers, but he was getting money with the...
Hi guys, it is the next day. I'm going to study at like a cafe stationery shop. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my outfit. Anyway, and I have like these big four plaits. So if my wig is looking like it's like bulky, please just know I have, first of all, I have thick hair. Let's start there. I have thick hair and I don't think a wig is ever gonna look super flat unless you're bald under the cap, under the wig. I think I like this. I'm starting to believe that I need Crocs because I remember my sister saying that like Crocs would look good on me because I have tiny feet and stuff. But yeah, and I was like, oh, I don't think so. I'm gonna need Crocs because I don't have anything to wear now, like chill. I have to wear Iteki and I don't think I'm gonna do that. Essence. I hope there's space. I hope I can get. What does that thing called? Cares. Body mist. Moschino. I don't know how to pronounce it, but like. This is the OOTD. We're gonna shoot. This is what I have. I'm gonna leave this is where I have my notes just to fill out all my things. And yeah, and my headphones on my phone which are charging, so on the way. It's actually so close. Let me show you guys where it is. It's actually there. I am here, guys. Can I please have a thing?
Aye. What? Look. What they talking about? They ain't talking about none. What they talking about? They ain't talking about none. What they talking about? They ain't talking about none. What they talking about? They ain't talking about none. Huh? They ain't talking about none. Aye. What they talking about? They ain't talking about none. What they talking about? They ain't talking about none. What they talking about? They ain't talking about none. What they talking about? They ain't talking about none. Huh? They ain't talking about none. Pickable, I just put them bookers in my chain. Pickable, 80 pointers like a Kobe game. Pickable, 7.62s, I make them plain. Pickable, pop popping out, you better smell my name. Peekaboo, put 2 foreigns on the 405. Peekaboo, Kachi Pepper here from doing pasta. Peekaboo, why you acting tough on IG Live? Peekaboo, you know my little niggas off they rocker. Peekaboo,
Surprise, bitch, it's that nigga chicken cheese.
Peekaboo.
Let me FaceTime my op, bitch, I'm up the street.
Peekaboo.
Yes, AGs, I'm putting something to sleep.
Peekaboo.
He on the ground, I praise God and start stumping feet.
Peekaboo.
I put 10 on his face, bitch, my shooter playing.
Peekaboo.
I hit it from the back, I told her move her hand.
Peekaboo.
And slide my thumb in where her at.
Peekaboo.
On your top, I'm with God, bitch, don't look back.
What they talking about? They ain't talking about none. What they talking about? They ain't talking about none. What they talking about? They ain't talking about none. What they talking about? They ain't talking about none. Huh?
You only have one life. You need to make sure that you're happy. You know, if not, you're just gonna be miserable and famous. I curate my environment.
Love that.
Yeah, I curate it like a playlist. Having the right people around me that are not afraid to tell me off or, you know, be upset.